Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can disable the autocorrect words on Android. So the autocorrections is usually comes on the keyboard or the language input that you use on your Android phone. So in here, let's just start by going to the settings app on your phone, and then here on this one I currently use a third party keyboard, so I download an apps a keyboard apps on Google Play. I use the Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard. So I'm going to just click on the search column, and then you can just find the keyboard that you use. Okay, so in here, this one I use this Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard, so click on that. And if you are using the Google keyboard, the Gboard on your uh phone, you can also just follow this step. It's actually the same steps on the every phone, so you can just tap on the keyboard that you use, and then you can find the typing settings or the advanced settings of the keyboard. In this case, on Microsoft for keyboard, this is the typing, and you can see at the top there will be this auto correct. So if it's turned on, then the words will be corrected to the middle prediction as you type. If you want to just disable this, you can just click on the circle until it turns to gray, and now the auto correct words has been disabled. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.